Hello, my name is Rodolfo and this is my project for CS50 cards. Here we have the application. We can log in and users who are logged in can write a new post. For example, we can write Python is awesome and we can create a new post. All posts. By pressing this link in the navigation bar, we can see all the posts. Every post shows the username of the poster, the post content, the post creation date, and the number of likes that the post has. Profile page. By clicking in an username, we can see a profile page of that user. Here we can see the numbers of followers that the user has and the number of people that the user follow. We can see all the posts of the user in reverse chronological order, and we can see the follow unfollow button. But if we are, for example, in the admin profile, this button doesn't appear because he is the current user. Here we can see also the following link. With this link we can see all the posts made by the people that the user follows. For example, here we have not Goku post, but if we go to all posts and follows to Goku, we can see in following all the posts from Goku. Pagination. We can see on every page that show posts only 10 posts in a page. Here appears 10 posts, and here appears the next button. Next button appears if there are next page, and if there are previous page appears the previous button. Here we have also the feature to add to edit the post by pressing this button. For example, we can write here, hi, how are the people? I am fine. And we can edit the post changing the content. All this with JavaScript. We can also like a post. This is made with JavaScript without requiring reload the entire page. All the page is not reloading. Now we press here and we can like and unlike. So this has been my project. I hope you like it and see you next video.